A new witness for Karen Reed's defense set to take the stand this morning. Former Canton police officer Kelly Deaver, who didn't testify in Reed's closely watched first trial last year that ended in a hung jury. Deaver, a potentially key witness this time around, as Reed's defense team hopes to convince the jury police in their close-knit town tried to frame her.
Feel great. Feel great.
Reed appearing in high spirits despite facing the possibility of life behind bars if convicted of hitting her former Boston police officer boyfriend John O'Keefe with her SUV and fleeing the scene back in 2022.
The evidence of collision is abundant.
Reed's defense team says she dropped O'Keefe off at a house party filled with law enforcement, and now they are trying to cover up their own wrongdoing.
What evidence have they proven that Karen Reed intended to kill or harm John O'Keefe, or that she intended to leave him for dead in the snow? The answer is none.
Last week, the defense moving to throw out the charges entirely after the prosecution rested its case.
No reasonable jury could find Karen Reed guilty.
A request the judge denied. On Friday, Reed's attorneys called their own accident reconstruction expert to the stand, who analyzed data from Reed's SUV and O'Keefe's phone.
What did you find in terms of any data regarding a collision?
Neither of the events that occurred on that date were triggered by a collision.
But Matthew DeSagra faced fierce cross-examination.
You're not testifying or offering an opinion that there was no collision with this car that night, are you?
No.
Reed, who has a small army of supporters actively engaging with some of them outside the courthouse.
And they're here every day, and I can't tell you what this does to my spirits every day.
Even as prosecutors have tried to use her own words in interviews against her this time around.
At the same time, the defense trying to get in a number of text messages that involved the former lead detective on this case. They're using other people who were in group chats with him, hoping to get that in. The judge expected to rule on that this week.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.